This bike isn't exactly for me, but it's perfect for us. Today I'm taking you through the Engwe LE20 e-bike. And I'll tell you everything about this sturdy and versatile cargo e-bike that I think will appeal to many of you. Hey there, Martijn here. Let's get started. This model is specifically equipped with a basket on the front and a sturdy rear seat for two kids. So it's ideal if you're looking for a bike that's not only fast, but also family friendly. I got mine directly from the manufacturer and I will leave a link to them in the video's description along with the coupon I used for you to check out after watching this video. The Engwe LE20 comes almost fully assembled and was well protected during transport. All you need to do is attach the handlebars, the front wheel, saddle, footrests and the backrest with the handles. It's a pretty simple setup, so you'll be ready to hit the road in no time. The Engwe LE20 is equipped with a 250 watt motor and that delivers an impressive 100 Nm of torque. Now, what does it mean? It makes it easier to climb steep bridges or hills and carry heavy loads. The bike supports speeds up to 25 km/h, so you get to your destination quickly. During my rides, I noticed that the frame feels super solid and I didn't hear any strange creaking sounds. The braking power is more than sufficient. With this large, heavy bike, I came to a stop after just over 4 meters when traveling at 25 km/h, which pleasantly surprised me. What makes this bike really ideal for long trips is the battery. The LE20 has a 48V 38.4Ah dual battery option. According to Engwe, you can ride up to 350 km on a single charge. In a real-life scenario, this means that you don't have to worry about recharging. So in my case, with only one battery, my weight of 80 kilograms and this relatively cold weather with PAS level 4 or 5, so pedal assist level, I managed to always get over 100 kilometers of range. And that is with sometimes some cargo in the front or sometimes with a child on the back seat. For longer trips, you can use the optional Engwe flash charger, which lets you recharge the battery in just 30 minutes. Super handy when you're short on time. For us, the kids' comfort is important. The Engwe LE20 is equipped with a solid rear seat where two kids can sit safely. The rear child even has a backrest, making it even more comfortable. The kids' feet can't get caught in the wheels thanks to the well-designed footrests. Another thing that's important is of course safety. The LE20 has a safety pin at the back that prevents the metal railing from being opened accidentally, which adds an extra layer of security when you're taking the kids along. With the Shimano 7-speed gearing system, you can easily adjust the bike to any terrain. Whether you're riding in the city or off-road, the gear options gives you the control you need for a smooth ride. Overall, I think that the Engwe LE20 is a versatile e-bike that's perfect for families. With its powerful mid-drive motor and a torque sensor, long battery life and safety features, this bike has everything you need for both short trips and long adventures. The price to quality ratio is really good. And if you're often out and about with the kids, this is an excellent choice. But it remains a Chinese e-bike or brand, so the price is therefore significantly lower than those in Dutch or European e-bike stores. This makes it an attractive option for those who want to save money, but there's one downside. Here in the Netherlands, several manufacturers have recalled family and cargo e-bikes due to stability and structural frame issues. How that will be handled here in the Netherlands, With this brand, if something ever comes up, is unclear because they're represented quite differently than the established big players. Another point to consider is the front basket. It's super handy, but if you load it up too much, it can be a bit unwieldy when steering. Make sure you don't overload the front basket so nothing falls out during turns. This is the very first family or cargo e-bike I've tested on this channel, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, or tell us if you're planning to get one yourself for your family adventures. Anyways, go check this playlist out. That's all the videos I've made for e-bikes, fat bikes, mini bikes, because we've reached the end of this video. So go check it out right now as we've reached the end of this one, and consider subscribing, so I see you in the next one.